In the world of e-commerce, shipping can make or break your business. That's where ShipSage steps in, your trusted partner for fast, easy, and affordable fulfillment. Imagine maximizing delivery speed while slashing costs, thanks to our expanding network. With ShipSage, you get quick, cost-effective shipping options and a pricing structure that's crystal clear. We handle the logistics, you focus on growth. Our 600,000 square feet of secure, strategically located warehouse space is just the beginning. Staffed by experts and equipped with a flexible management system, we offer a suite of services from FBA to B2C solutions, all while partnering with top carriers for seamless operations. Returns? No sweat. Our streamlined process and value-added services like relabeling and repackaging make it hassle-free. With transparent, no hidden fee return services, we offer the flexibility you need. And for Amazon sellers, our FBA prep and transfer services are worry-free. Benefit from rapid turnaround times and strategic locations for faster fulfillment, ensuring your products meet Amazon's high standards. Join thousands of brands worldwide who trust ShipSage for seamless end-to-end fulfillment services. Request your free quote today.